Alright, so today we're gonna unbox this DF10. Just ordered from some online store. I'll get a link below. Pretty nice packaging, comes with a postcard. Pretty nice. Okay, let's get to the real deal. So this is the packaging. Very sleek design, minimalistic design. You can see it's from China because you're right, this is pretty obvious. Okay, right, let's get to the real deal then. Oh, it's really tight. So here we go. Let's open this up. Nothing. So here's the real thing. No idea. It says some Chinese words. So this is it. This is a wooden. This is the IEM with a wooden enclosure. So they give you a pen. I have no idea why they would do that, but I think it just enhances the overall design. All these are made from recycled material, so yeah, pretty green. Small notebook. It's a pretty small notebook. And this is a pouch for, I think it's for your earphones. Alright, I think this one should be the manuals? I have a feeling it's the manuals. Yeah, it is the manuals. Pretty nice design, card-like. Pretty nice. Okay, cool. Okay. So this is it. It's thread. It's thread-like at the bottom, and then this is just rubber just rubber at the top. And the color's pretty nice, I guess. And it feels pretty light. Okay, so I'm not sure whether you can see it. This is the logo. Right. And then there's a mic control. Here, there's a mic control. There's a pretty nice metallic button. Very nice feedback. Not sure whether you can hear it. Very nice feedback right there. The quality, it feels pretty premium though, but there's no there's only this rubber thing here preventing it from breakage, but I guess the wires are inside this the thread-like enclosure, so I wouldn't have much of a worry for this. Right, so we'll go ahead and test this out, I guess.